So guys, this is our video about machine learning. Today's video I am telling you about the machine learning in JavaScript. So yeah, we are learning about that. So please hit a like button, share with friends and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please, if you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. So now let's move to computer screen and let's learn about the machine learning in JavaScript. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's machine learning class, I'm telling you about the machine learning in JavaScript. So let's learn about that. What are machine learning in JavaScript? So let's learn about that. So first of all, what I can do, I write like here 1 like 12 123. Okay, now traditionally machine learning applications are using R or Python. If you don't know what are R and Python, in the previous video I told you about all things what is R and which languages are involved in Python, which languages are involved in machine learning and artificial intelligence. If you don't know, please see my previous video. Okay, but JavaScript has a great feature as a machine learning language. Okay, as a machine learning language. JavaScript is well known. All developers can use it. Security is built in. Okay, JavaScript cannot access your files. JavaScript is faster than Python. Okay, if you don't know. Now let's see who is faster. Let me write here. JavaScript is faster than Python. Web will JavaScript code better work faster. Here you can see it. JavaScript is faster than Python. Google is also telling me. JavaScript can use hardware acceleration. JavaScript runs in the browser. JavaScript is good for machine learning. Let me see. JavaScript is good. JavaScript is good for machine learning. Yeah, here you can say it is saying yes. Here you can see it. Machine learning can be math heavy. The nature of neural networks is highly technical. Okay, and the jargon that goes along with it tends to scare people away. Okay, now this is where JavaScript comes to help with easy to understand. Okay, now let's come down. Easy to understand software to simplifying the process of creating and training neural networks. Okay, now with the new machine learning libraries, JavaScript developers can add machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, oh, now let's come up. Weird. Now to web applications. Okay, now let's come here. With the, like I've told you, like that all thing. Now let's come here. JavaScript machine learning libraries. Machine learning in the browser means machine learning in JavaScript, machine learning for the web, machine learning for the everyone, machine learning on more platforms. Advantages: easy to use, nothing to install. Powerful graphics, browsers support WebGL. Better privacy, data can stay on the client. More platforms, JavaScript runs on mobile devices. Brain.js. Brain.js is a JavaScript library that makes it easy to understand neural networks because it hides the complexity of the mathematics. Okay, Brain.js is simply to use. You do not need to know neural networks. Okay, neural networks in details to work with brain.js. Okay, now Brain.js provides multiple neural network implementations as different neural network nets can be trained to do different things with different things well. Learn more about the M1s.js. What is that? M15.js is trying to make machine learning more accessible to a wider audience. Okay. The M15 team is working to wrap machine learning functionalities in friendlier ways. For example below uses the only 3 lines of code to classify an image like this. Only 3 lines it is using to classify the image. This is in JavaScript. Let me show you. First of all, let me go on my Visual Studio Code. Then how to make a JavaScript file. Let me tell you. First of all, you go onto the file and click onto the new file, and you can write here like the 5.js. Then I make my file on my documents, then create file. So here you can see my file has been made it. Then I wrote like that and save it and run it. Okay, here you can see to give me a syntax error. Your Node.js is not downloaded. So I do not download the Node.js. This is one for syntax and it has been not run. Okay, this is only for one syntax. Okay. You can see it. So now let's come on it. Try substitute pic.1 JPG with pic1.pic2.jpg, pic3.jpg and pic4.jpg. TensorFlow Playground is web application written in D3.js. With TensorFlow Playground, you can learn about neural networks, okay, and NN. Neural network means NN without math. In your web browsers, you can create a neural network and see the result. TensorFlow.js was previously called TF.js and DeepLearn.js. Math in the browsers. Math.js is an extensive math library for JavaScript and Node.js. Math.js is a powerful and easy to use. It comes with large set of built-in functions, flexible expression and parser and solutions to work with many data types like numbers, big numbers, complex numbers, and fractions, fraction number, unit numbers, arrays numbers, and matrix numbers. Plotting in the browsers. Here is a list of some JavaScript libraries to use for both machine learning, graphs, and other HTML charts. Okay, like HTML Canvas, Plotly.js, Chart.js, Google Chart, D3.js, plotting equation, enter equation like sin x multiplied by 2 plus 7. Plotting values. Enter x and y values like 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 40, 50, like 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 11, 14, 14, 15. WebGL API. WebGL is a JavaScript API for rendering 2D and 3D graphics in any browser. Okay. WebGL can run on both integrated and stand-alone graphic cards in any PC. WebGL brings 3D graphics to the web major browser vendors Apple, Safari, Google, Chrome, and Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox are members of the WebGL working group. Okay, so here you can see it. In today's video I told you about the machine learning in JavaScript. Here you can see it, and all thing I have told you about that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. I appreciate your support through. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. If you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the codewithpk.com or my YouTube channel so you can easily access my playlist. So now I meet you in the next class. Like this type of videos are come very fast, okay? And now I meet you next class and next very amazing class like that. So for today, goodbye.